Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with 35mm black and white film. Then I got this image now, and also I made pencil drawing type image. I'll show you later. And well, about this black and white image, well, colorize first. Just based on my imagination, I don't know what color it's gonna be, what kind of colorful picture it's gonna be. Let's try to make some colorize, make this image, and then I'm gonna change. Well, I'm gonna see that changing blend mode to see what kind of image is gonna be. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna add layer in between these. Well, this is pencil drawing type image. I said now by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Just touch grains and some lines. I'm gonna turn this one off right now. Then I'm gonna add layer. Now I'm going to change blend mode though. Change blend mode to color. Then skin tones first, but let's see what kind of brush should I use. Well, since this layer is just color, so I'm going to choose basic to soft round brush. Well, this is so interesting. I'm gonna use brush and smudge tool. Same basic to soft round. Let's see, it's gonna mix up smudging. Okay, now I'm going to use smudging tool, smudge brushes, same soft round. Let's see how it's going to mix the color next. Okay, now brush again and add some shadow area has more reddish in it, and the highlight area has more yellowish. Now I guess they add some colors on her clothes, huh? Okay, let's see background. Well, I think we're almost done for colorizing overall. Now, let me turn on this pencil drawing type image. Then let's see, change blend mode. Well, about luminosity, 40%. Just leave the pastel tone, half tone of the color as a base image, or overlay is nice. Okay, fix this image as a one layer. Okay, select multiple, 1, 2, 3 layers. Now duplicate layers, then merge selected. Now I got this one layer now. Turn it off to keep it. Now change blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. Change to luminosity. Now this is the base image. This is gonna be the base image, pretty much half-tone image. This is the new light image. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer. I just want to see. Move this one and go up. Then change blend mode. Let's see what it looks like. Lighten. You see? That's interesting though. Well, just leave it this way. Well, I got this image. I gotta change names. This is original image. This is color I add. This is one, but pencil drawing type image. Now it's luminosity 40%. That's why it shows this way, but to bring this one back to normal, 100%. This is the pencil drawing type image. Then this one is I combined to one image, pencil drawing type image, change the blend mode to overlay 40% and combine to original image, get this nice skin tone effect. Then this is just original image, same thing, I just duplicate. If I change this original image, if I change blend mode to like darken, color burn, it shows different effect again. So just leave it now, leave it this one, normal, then turn it off, original. I'm thinking about overlay effect. I just want to keep this one. Turn it off. Then I want to see this original color layer. Then pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to luminosity 40%. This is some pastel tone, so this is gonna be the base image. Luminosity 40%, 50%. 42, 50. More illustration image. Half tone, about 40. Well, this is overlay image, which is nice skin tone. But if I mask this, it's gonna show like that. So now I'm gonna create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I want some texture of the brush. Pastel square. The face area, right? This area, so just leave it this way, and now I'm gonna add one more layer, then filling this layer with 100% white pixel layer. This one. This is now a white layer. Now I'm gonna create the empty mask. Now reveal with same brush, pastel square. I want to add color, so I'm gonna add layer. Blend mode is normal. Blue. Let's see, smudge red, same pastel square. Nothing much interesting. Add some colors slightly, not much big effect. Okay, just continue to add some color, touch more bluer color. This one is overlay effect layer, which is nice skin tone. Take mask off. Now compare. This is overlay effect. This is base image. Now it's okay to use as a base image of this overlay effect, but we just want to make mask to add this much, only for face and some part. But what do you think? I don't think I need this mask. This is nice. Now what else I can do from this without mask? Now it's no mask, right? So this is overlay effect layer, normal, which is, I'm now looking at base image, none. So this is the base image. Now this is nice. Overlay effect. Overlay effect fixed already. Which is, if I turn this one off, then this pencil drawing type image, this luminosity now, but change to overlay. 33% is the overlay effect. This is the layer. Yeah, pretty much real close without mask. Yeah, it's same base image. Now then I don't need to have this base image to be on. So just this overlay effect layer. So turn this off. For keep this overlay effect layer. Now I'm gonna add, this is white layer with mask. Does it? Anything? Well, doesn't have to have, unless if I add something, some colors, like this layer, I add some colors. Maybe I'm gonna add one more color. these colors on this. Yeah, this is a color layer. This is just mask, right? This mask is not interesting, I think. So that's why it shows this way. So in this case, I'm going to change this mask. I'm going to cut mask. Create empty mask. Draw media to scratchy pencil. Alright, pretty much. Okay, I'm gonna add some more color. Now pastel square. Okay, I guess that's it. Well, now I gotta explain to you some. Okay, turn it off. This. Let me turn it off. This. Then turn on this base image first. Then I add color, colorize. Then I add pencil drawing type image on overlay opacity about 33 to get this image. This is the base image, which is I combined 3 layers on this layer. So this is same image. Now I'm going to turn this. Well, I don't need to turn it off because this is blend mode is normal. You don't see the images underneath. Anyways, this is the base image. Then I made create empty mask to show this without mask. This. Then add mask to show this much. This much. This is one from this to this much. Okay. Then I add some colors on this layer with pastel blue and pink, magenta color to finish it up. Well, that's it. That's it for today, and thank you for watching my video from black and white to colorize and make it illustration type of image. Well, I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.